Hi students, third exercise. Before two problems completed, now third question. What can you say about the position of the points 1, 2 and 1, 3, 1, minus 4 and 1, 0 and 1, 8 locate on the graph sheet? This is horizontal line. Horizontal line is called x-axis. Vertical line is called y-axis. So this is horizontal line. Horizontal line is called x-axis. Vertical line is called y-axis. X dash and y dash. For that, x-axis, y-axis intersect point origin. From origin to OX is called positive x-axis, OX dash negative x-axis, OY positive y-axis, OY dash negative y-axis. Means from origin to write all positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From origin to left all negative integers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. From origin to above all positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Next to below all negative integers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. So first point 1, 2. First one see on x-axis means that is x coordinate. Second point y coordinate. 1, 2. First one see on x-axis 1, 2 on y-axis here. This is 1, 2. 1, 2. Next one 1, 3. 1 see on x-axis 3. Second point see on y-axis 1, 3 here 1, 3. Next one 1, minus 4. 1 here minus 4 see on y-axis. Minus means down here 1, minus 4. Got it? 1, minus 4. Next 1, 0 means on x-axis. Positive x-axis 1, 0. Next one 8. 1, 8 on positive y-axis. Here x coordinate all will be 1. Different will be y coordinate. Means totally this is what you observe here. So straight line will be on parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis. Join this. Draw one of the line. So this is last point 1, 8. So what to observe? All the given points of corresponding coordinates lies on the same line. Lies on the same line. So which is parallel to y-axis and is 1 unit distance. Here all 1 unit distance parallel to y-axis. Here last write one sentence which is parallel to y-axis and is at 1 unit distance. Which is parallel to y-axis at is 1 unit distance. Okay. Fourth question. What can you say about the position of points 5, 4, 8, 4, 3, 4, 0, 4, minus 4, 4, minus 2, 4. Here observe y coordinate is all 4. Means y coordinate is same. And locate the points on graph sheet. What you observe, justify your answer. Answer. So this is horizontal line. Horizontal line is called x-axis. X-axis means x dash vertical line is called y-axis, y dash. In that intersect point origin, from origin to, means OX is positive integers. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and from origin to left all negative integers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. From origin to above all positive integers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and below all negative integers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and minus 5. See that points. What are points? First one 5, 4. 5 here, 4 on y-axis here. 5, 4. Slightly keep here. Actually we have to draw that graph paper. 5, 4 and 8, 4. 8 and 4 slightly here. This slightly. 8, 4. Next to 3, 4. 3. First point C on x-axis. Second point C on y-axis. Here. Next. 0, 4. 0, 4 on y-axis. Next point. Minus 4, 4. Minus 4 here. 4. This slightly keep here. Minus 4 to 4. And the next one, minus 2, 4. Minus 2 here, 4. So what you observe here, y coordinate is each and every point is same. So join this one, draw that line. So this is parallel to x-axis. Totally here points, right? First one here 3, 4, and next one 0, 4. Here 0, 4. This one minus 2, 4. Minus 2, 4. And this one minus 4, 4. Minus 4, 4. These points all. And here what you observe? All the given points lie on the same line which is parallel to x-axis, and it is at a distance of 4 units. At a distance of 4 units. So observation, write one sentence. All the given points lie on the same line. Same line, how it is? Which is parallel to the x-axis, and is at a distance of 4 units. So 4 units distance. All the given points lie on the same line which is parallel to the x-axis, and it is distance is 4 units distance. Here 4 units distance to parallel to the x-axis. Once observe this graph.